Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today my mom's going to be showing you how to make this really tasty haddock meal. I hope you enjoy. So as you can see, she's just squeezing a piece of lemon over the fish. Okay, so to season the fish, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper, a dash of black pepper, a dash of garlic powder, one teaspoon paprika, a pinch of rosemary, a pinch of salt, and lastly 2 tablespoons olive oil. And after you've got all of that together, you just want to rub it in with the fish. And if you want, you can keep it in the refrigerator overnight so that it can marinate better. Okay, so now you're ready to cook the fish. You can take it over to your pan and you're going to cook it on each side for about 7 to 8 minutes on about medium heat. So it's been about 7 minutes and she's just flipping the fish over so the other side can cook. Okay, so now that your fish is cooking, you can actually go ahead and start preparing your rice. So as you can see, there's about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in the pot. Then you'll add 1 cup of basmati rice. Okay, so now you're going to add a dash of all-purpose seasoning, a dash of vegetable seasoning, a dash of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, now we're just going to mix it all together and we're going to fry it on medium heat for about 2 minutes. Once that's done, you're going to bring boiling water to the rice and you're going to cover it about an inch just over the rice. Just use your kettle. And now you're going to bring it to a low simmer for about half an hour. After about 20 minutes, you're going to give the rice a quick stir, see how everything's coming along. And once your rice is finished, it's gonna look like this. So here's the meal. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do like this video and you want to see more from us, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified when we do upload, leave a comment below and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.